Hey, so I know a lot of people like the idea of cooking, but when it comes to them actually going out and doing it, there's a lot of things holding them back. One of the biggest things that I hear is that it is a lot of work or it's really tedious. One of my ways that I like to keep myself entertained when I'm cooking is this thing that they call, music.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Bum, 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 bum.
This ship is taking me far away from the memories of the people who care if I live or die. Starlight, I will be chasing a starlight until the end of my life. I don't know if it's worth it anymore. I just wanted to hold you in my arms. My life, you electrify my life. Let's conspire to ignite all the souls that would die just to feel alive. I'll never let you go if you promise not to fade away. Never fade away. Our hopes and expectations, black holes and revelations. Our hopes and expectations, black holes and revelations.
Bum, 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 bum.
On you in my arms. I just wanted to hold you in my arms. Far away, the ship is taking me far away from the memories of the people who care if I live or die. I'll never let you go if you promise not to fade away. Never fade away. Our hopes and expectations, black holes and revelations. Our hopes and expectations, black holes and revelations.
Bum, 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 bum.
On you in my arms. I just wanted to hold you in my arms. I just wanted to hold. Far away from the memories of the people who care if I